This is my 1965 Mustang. I've had this car for about 22 years now. I bought it in 2003. It was my high school car. It's been sitting here for about 3 years, and I want to start driving it again, and it needs a couple things, and then it'll be good to go. All right, so like I said, it's been under a cover for 3 years. Obviously, needs a wash. It's like a cat slid down it or something. But I'll kind of go over everything that I've done to the car as I go along here. It's on a trickle charger, but one of the reasons I parked it, mostly because I can't take 2 kids to school in it, was the cooling system. You can see it's missing a shroud, but the cooling system, if I can get this off, there we go, is pretty much rust and mud. I kind of want to fix that today. Got new coolant for it. I'm going to start it up. Like I said, I know it runs and drives. I've taken it around the block quite a few times just to kind of keep the fluids going in it. I'm not really sure. What is this stuff? That's new. Yes, Harper. Are you a princess? Oh, we're working on the car. You want me to start it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's start it up. There we go. Alright, so it's primed. I had to do that. I haven't started the car in 2 months, so just making sure it's got oil. Alright. Let the car warm up. I want the thermostat open before I can flush all that coolant out and put fresh stuff in. It's my paint spray booth. Thermostat's open. All right. Coolant's draining. I got the carb. I actually don't know what carb this is. Alright, try this Prestone Flush and Clean. The rest of the way of water. Alright. Start it up. all messed up. So that is warmed up. When it's cold, it'll actually be on the sea. I don't know what happened to the cage, or maybe I bumped it or something, but it's definitely not calibrated. Not leaking, so yeah, not gonna fix it. I'll buy new rubber hoses eventually. Oh, it's not green. Oh, it's green. Come on. So, had a bad air bubble in it. God damn it. Nice fresh coolant in it. So that should do it. Took a gallon and a half of antifreeze. I need to paint this air cleaner. I'll do that another day. I was just trying to get this thing running, driving around, not overheating. It's been sitting here idling for, I don't know, 20 minutes. It's not overheating. It did have an air bubble in it. Might have sprayed everywhere, but I'm gonna give it a bath. All cleaned up. All right, so it's back in its spot. I cleaned it all up. It's got a few spots. Probably need to fix it, but the paint's kind of rough anyway. Kind of see scratches and stuff. It's a 20-year-old paint job. Chips, door dings. Yeah, I just kind of cleaned it up, made sure it had coolant in it, and that's pretty much it. It's kind of a weird video. I don't really have time to drive it. I just, I had a couple hours today to work on it and make sure that when I do have time to drive it, I can drive it. I need to put the registration sticker on. It is a registered car. Kind of a weird video. I know. It's basically just put antifreeze in it and wash the car. But I wanted to kind of go over it. It does have a T5. We did a T5 swap on it. Right there. 5-speed. It's got a T5. The only thing modern on it is probably the stereo. Other than that, I have kept everything kind of true to, you know, the standard brakes, standard steering, cable clutch. You know, there's no power assist anything on this car, and I love it that way. I have to look up what carburetor I have. I don't remember what it was, and it doesn't have any model numbers on it that I can see. It is a 289 with 302 heads. What else have I done? I did a streeter track front suspension. It's got a streeter track front suspension with a Gravitrack 1 1/8 sway bar. It's also got a Canton 9-quart pan. Man, that rear main seal is really leaking bad. All that mess in there. It's got 4 Granada front brakes, which I want to swap. My dad and I did those back before disc brakes were a common swap. We just kind of found a 4 Granada in a junkyard and did it. I need to change out the dash. None of the gauges work except for the fuel gauge. I guess it's not weird because I did the fuel tank in the back and I replaced the sending unit and everything, so it makes sense. I did all the upholstery in the car. I'll post a picture. It's I did it in the living room of my old house. The rear end, I have a 5-leaf pack mid-eye from Gravitrack with Gravitrack rear shocks. The axle is a 355 gears with a True Track limited slip. God, what else? Oh, on the flywheel, it's got an aluminum flywheel. Ford Racing flywheel with Ford Racing clutch. It's got subframe connectors. I don't remember what brand. It's got Outlaw 2 wheels. Tires are BFG Ultra 2s. I got them on there in like 2019, 2020. And I chose a really horrible day to try and work on the car. Man, just put that back. I want to start working on this thing. I want to start driving it any free time I get. Oh, also the exhaust system is, I have a video posted, 2.5 inch all the way out with an X pipe and Flowmaster 40s. I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys have questions, you know, I want to keep working on this thing. I want to start driving it. I actually wanted to race this thing at one point, and then that kind of became a pipe dream, but we'll see.